Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I was wondering what I should film, but then I went to Target and bought stuff that I clearly didn't need. Isn't that how every single Target trip goes? I mean, I know mine do. So we're gonna be playing with new makeup. I have just a bunch of, like, a mess, literally a mess in front of me. And I need to get ready for my godfather's birthday dinner, so why not kill two birds in one stone? Is that the saying? I don't even know what I'm trying. I'm even trying to attempt an American saying. Although I've been living here for almost 19 years, I'm still a complete failure when it comes to American phrases. I'm sorry. Alright. Let's get started with a primer that is newer. I don't like it very much, but I bought it and I want to use it. So this is the e.l.f. oil control primer mist. Reason why I don't like it is not the formula, but the spray itself. Excuse me. Splash zone. It's just, I mean, it didn't look that bad right there, but on your face, let's do it. I feel like it just splatters everywhere. It's not an even mist, but let's do it. I like how I'm afraid of this. Okay. It's not a fine mist. If it was a fine mist, I would actually enjoy this, but it's not. Now for foundation, this is totally a Katie Jane Hughes inspired purchase. I love her so much. I want to be her friend, and I try to tune in to every single Instagram live. Like, I adore her. And I trust her so much, and I've purchased so much shit because of her. But I don't regret it, because she actually recommends really great stuff. I mean, of course, she's a professional makeup artist, but I got this. So this is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid foundation. She's been using it a ton for the past like 2 months or so, and haven't used the Revlon foundation since probably college, which has been a while. I mean, I graduated college. Oh no, it's been way longer. I graduated in 2013. So it's been a while. But I think the last time that I used Revlon's Photo Ready foundation, is that the name of it? Like the one with the glass bottle? It must have been like 2009. So I was barely like in my first year of college. Dang, didn't realize that. But we're gonna try this. We're gonna try this out. I picked out the shade 150 creme brulee because it was the lightest shade with a warm undertone. So I washed my brushes last night, and they're still drying. It's kind of chilly, so it's gonna take a while for them to completely dry up. And the only brush that I had, at least in this area, that was clean is this one, which is technically a powder brush, but we can make it work. We can make it work. I'm gonna take maybe a pump, 2 pumps. Let's do a pump for right now. Okay, I can tell you this color, good shade match, good shade match. Not that I could shade match myself inside Target, but I mean, Revlon at least labeled things correctly on their website. I'm not seeing a line of demarcation. I know on camera it's looking like I'm looking a little bit pale, but usually foundations will oxidize just a tiny bit. For concealer, I don't have anything that's too new. I think the newest concealer that I have is literally the Fenty one that I've shown on Instagram. So I'm gonna use shade 105, and I'm just gonna use it very sparingly. Once again, I'm gonna use the same brush to blend the concealer out. A little goes a long way with Fenty. Don't have a new powder, so I'm just gonna powder with the Milk Makeup Blur-In Set, which has been like my go-to powder for a while now. It's really good. It doesn't look cakey, and it's really nice on oily skin. I also like the actual container a lot. I literally can't open my vanity. That's how much stuff I have right in front of me. So I'm gonna use concealer as eyeshadow primer. It's gonna crease, but it's just a dinner, so yellow. For eyeshadow, I have a trio that's new, as well as a quad that I just bought at Target. The trio is from Model Co. I got this in my Allure box, which is just like a kind of rosy tones. Looks pretty. But this is the quad that I bought from Target. This is from I think it's a Mexican owned brand, Reina Rebelde. It was in clearance, so I was like, score. So this is the OAXACA Foreplay Wet Dry Eye Color. I wanted the other one with the green, and I did find it, but I opened it because it's good to check, and the color was smashed, so I didn't get it. Got this one instead, which is actually quite nice. So I think I'm going to use this one by Reina Rebelde. I kind of want to play around with this like little lilac. I don't know why I'm holding it this way, but I am. Let's go in with a blender brush. I'm just gonna sweep it all over the eye. It's quite sheer, actually. I kind of want to use this wet. I feel like I'm not getting the intensity that I want, so taking the original brush, and actually let's take the e.l.f. spray. I'm gonna wet the brush. It's still coming out extremely pale. Dang it, I wanted to really like this. Maybe I should just embrace the fact that this color is fair. Now I'm gonna take this color right here. And this is a brush that I also got in my Allure box. Kind of a weird shape, but I like it. Well, this is the first time using it, but I like the shape, you know. That's what I meant. I like this one. I like this color. This one layers really nicely. Actually, yeah, we like it. Finally, I'm gonna take this color. Kind of looks like a greenish gold. Okay, I'm applying this gold in the inner corner. Kind of want to mix it in with the blue a little bit. We shall see. Yeah, let's go a little bit further in. Now let's go on to eyebrows. This is from the BROWGAL, which I also got in my Allure box. So, wow, so many Allure stuff. It's actually, well, this was my second box, and I'm pretty impressed with it. TBH. I don't know if this might be a little too light for me, but the applicator is super tiny. I'm just gonna brush my hair up. I mean, I don't even know what's the point. My bangs are pretty they're pretty long at the moment. I don't know. I don't know if I'm liking this brush. It's a little too flimsy for my bushy brows. I'm also not a super big fan of this color. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but it is kind of making my brows look a little bit dull. Might give it to my mom. She has lighter brows. Yeah, I wasn't really feeling that. But we'll roll with it. We'll roll with it. For mascara, I'm going to be trying out another Allure beauty box thing. Sorry. This is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. Why did that sound so weird? Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, which was their newest mascara. I did show their original mascara maybe a year and a half ago, which I loved. I'm excited for this. The other mascara that's newer in my collection is this one from Essence. It is the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara, which I've been really liking if you follow me on Instagram story, but it's a bitch to remove. It is so damn hard to remove. I've tried my Bare Minerals oil cleanser, the new Glossier Milky Oil. I don't know, there's something in this formula. It's not even waterproof, but It is a bitch to remove. That's your fun fact of the day. So I'm gonna go with this. Hopefully this one's not a bitch to remove. All right, the other Wonder Beauty mascara had like a S-shaped brush, very similar to the Lancome Hypnose Drama that I love. Mascara? No mascara. I actually really like this. It makes my lashes, well, it made my lashes look really long. Maybe a little clumpy, but I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at this. I like it. I really do. Let's move on to blush. Like how I'm using the same brush for everything. Right, for blush, what's newer for me is the Too Faced. This is the Peach My Cheeks, and so peachy. I love it. It smells like peaches. I always thought the little scent in Too Faced products was completely pointless until I tried this one, and since I love the way peaches smell, especially like artificial peaches, it just makes me smile. It's been, I don't want to feel like a hypocrite, but I also just really like this. Let's go in with a little highlighter. This is not new, but I've been really liking it. This is the FENTY Killawatt Highlighter in Lightening Dust, which I've been using a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been posting a lot more like makeup of the day type posts, outfits and stuff like that. I'm having fun. Having fun! That's a new thing for me on Instagram. I was kind of hating it for a while. My battery died and I need to hurry up. That's what my mom said. So we're using Bite Beauty lip pencil in 050. 050, and I'm just gonna line my lips, keeping up with this cool undertone that we have on the eyes. I kind of want to do this. This is the Kat Von D lip liner. I'm gonna use it on my waterline because it just called my name in my little cup of lip liners. All right, let's go on to the other eye. I can't remember if I've ever worn this on my lips. I feel like I have because it was used, but I haven't used it in a while, I guess. Okay, now let's finish up with the Fenty gloss. Oh, by the way, this one's in Fussy, which is the newer color. All right, that's it. My mom wants to do her hair, so she wants to use the hair dryer. I still need to do my hair because it looks like shit. But this is the makeup look. I'm actually really liking it. I think that Kat Von D lip liner like pulled it together for me. Really like it. It's a different pop of color, but it looks so nice. I like it. I really, really like it. The Revlon foundation looks so pretty. I'm impressed. I also really like the Wonder Beauty mascara. The Quad from Reina Rebelde. It's actually nice. I mean, I was a little let down by the lilac because it's so subtle. But I do like the navy, and I do like the inner corner. So, like that. The brow gel, not my color. So I'm gonna pass it on. What else did we try? I think that's it. I think that's it. So if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments below. If there's anything you want me to try out next, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of my derpy face. All right, I'm gonna get going now because I literally have to leave in a little bit. So hope you enjoyed this, and see you soon. Oh my god, I suck at closing videos. All right, bye.